Hey you, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ladessa. You spell that Ladessa. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. Again, what's good? Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you are new, thank you for stopping by to my regular schmegulas. What it do, boo? All right, so this is going to be a full face of brand new products, mostly brand new products, and then some of my, regular schmegula products that I use all the time. A good number of these products, matter of fact, were recommended or gifted to me by my girl Lulu from Aging Gorgeously. So Lulu, I love you. Thank you so much for just building up my stash, yo. All right, also in my description box, there are beauty links abundance. All of my ladies from Aging Gorgeously and Beauty YouTuber Growth Group, all of those ladies' links are in the description box. I need you to support them like you support me. And come on over to the mature side of these YouTube streets. All right, so if you would be so kind, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button to stick with me and hang out with me and go on this YouTube journey with me. You get to know me better. I get to know you down in the description box. Not description box, I'm sorry, but the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, which I hope that you will, because look at all of this. I did all of this for you. So you knows I aims to please. Give me a big thumbs up. You're welcome to share this video. Tell the world, don't hoard me to yourself. It's a lot of women. So share. And if you need to know, what you should know, this is not a want, this is a need. You need to know when I upload my videos. The only way that you can know that is if you hit the notification bell. It's over here by the thumbs up, and subscribe button is over here. Follow directions. Follow the directions on your screen and stick with your girl. All right, so thank you again so much for stopping by. Let's go ahead and get into this fabulous look of that new. Yeah, so I am hot as fish grease right now because I lost all of my footage of creating this eye look. It is from the Peachy Queen Cosmetics, Kush Queen Palette, and yeah, I did the damn thing, as you can see, but I wanted to share it with you, so we'll have to come back to this. Also, this was a gift from Lulu from Aging Gorgeously, and do not say one solitary word about my head and my rollers. Yes, these are sponge rollers, but they're sponge rollers the remix, because they have this little satin, I don't know if you can see, but they have this little satin protective slip on there to keep your hair from snagging and keep your hair popping. And yes, I still wear sponge rollers because I'm an old lady. But anyway, so we are here to talk about the new that I am using on my face. And the first thing that I'm sharing with you is from my Holy Grail skincare line. This is like the core of how I get the skin so popping. It is from Replenish Skincare. They have a new Treat, Hydrate, Prevent Active Botanical Face Serum. And I live and die by this brand for a couple of reasons. The very first one is because it's plant-based. The second is because my girl Dominique owns this brand, and most important of all is a portion of your proceeds go to Living Water International. So this is the latest addition to the Replenish Skincare system. And again, it's plant-based. So what's in your product? I'm not saying, I'm just saying. All right, so let me just give you a little brief description. It says here, our active botanical serum is the most direct way to deliver anti-aging and skin restorative ingredients to your skin in a format. Ingredients to your skin in a format your cells were designed to recognize. Okay. All right, so I always do my eyes and stuff first before I do any of my skincare products, because I just feel like my eye products and everything adhere to my eyes a little bit better when the skin is just a little bit drier, even though I use like bases or whatever. But I feel like my brows and everything just go on where there's no slip, so it, you know, everything just kind of adheres and sticks. So we're gonna take a few droplets of the active botanical face serum. My mirror is over here. And this stuff is the bomb. I use it day and night. It will run you $38, but what's $38 amongst friends, right? I initially thought, oh wow, this might be too heavy, but it just really just like absorbs into the skin. And when I wear it at night, oh my God, I wake up and my face is so supple. I'm putting it on my lips. My lips is ashy. And then I'm going to top it off with some more Replenish Skincare. Their packaging is just the bomb, isn't it? I love the packaging. This is their Protect Moisturizer. And you know what? I would not have been the skincare junkie that I am today if it wasn't for Replenish Skincare. If you didn't watch my original video on this, I'll just tell you the backstory. I was on IG, and IG was doing what IG does, and that is telling you what you should be doing. Minding your beeswax. And the Dominique's IG page for Replenish Skincare came up, and I was just sick off of the packaging. And I was like, well, let me check this out. Because before I just was using, you know, like I would go to the department store and, you know, use like Origins or something like that. And I mean, you know, my skincare was decent, but you know, once I turned 45 and I started noticing the lines and the pores, I'm like, hold on now, let me do a little bit more investing. And so I had the opportunity to speak to Dominique, and she is a former makeup artist, and she said that so many times her clients would say, well, how come my application doesn't look as flawless and, you know, as I want it to be? And she made it very clear is you have to protect the canvas. This is your canvas. Your canvas got to be smoothed out. And I was like, you know what? That makes a lot of sense. My lash is hanging. And so ever since then, I have just been a skincare junkie, but nothing gets on my skin before Replenish Skincare. All right, so I'm going to apply, I thought I had a different primer, but I'm just going to use this right here, this Chanel primer. And so it's not too new, but it's new enough. I've only used it a few times. My face looks like it is hella shiny, right? That's okay. We're gonna mat this baby out. All right, and so like the description says, we're doing some new things, and one of the new things that I started doing, thanks to YouTube, just wasn't enough yet, is just putting a nice little layer of concealer down first. So this is new for me. This is the Smashbox Skin Duo 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer, and I am in the color Dark. I need a mirror. I just need this one right here. And so I've noticed that doing this has kind of really helped, kind of really helped the look of my makeup. All right, and then another thing that I am doing new is I am taking my setting powder. What's not new, I'm doing it again. Taking my setting powder and applying it and kind of mattifying my base. So even though I'm looking a little ghostly right now, we're going to pull this thing together. All right, so this is new for me. This is the Lancome Teint Idole, and I am in the color 500 Suede Warm. This is a recommendation from my girl Danny and my girl Lulu. So first impression, I think this is a little too dark, but they have a $4.95. Just put my mirror right here. They have a $4.95 now, but when I went to Ulta to get it, they didn't have it out yet. So we are just going to work it out with some powders. But I do like the coverage. What do you think? I'm still a little shiny. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. That was my daughter calling, so I had to grab that. All right, so the next new product that I'm going to add is concealer. It is the All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer from Urban Decay, and this is in the color or shade medium dark. So here we go. And I did play with this before, and it is really super duper thick. It's probably one of the thicker concealers that I've used. Oh, this dried fast. Oh no. Okay, so there is no line of demarcation, thankfully, but I do have to move fast with this concealer. I'm not mad at it. Okay, instead of using my Peach Perfect, which I normally would use to set underneath my eye, I'm going to actually use the Laura Mercier translucent in medium deep, just to kind of give some color, just because it looks a little too light. You know what, maybe I'll mix the two, because I can't do anything without my Peach Perfect. Love this stuff. It's nice. That was a good idea. All right, so now we're gonna warm up the face. Thanks to Lulu, who I love. She's got me bronzing now, and this is new for me. This is the Becca bronzer in Maui Nights. If I can get it open. How beautiful is that? All right, so this is my favorite blush to date. This is Always Spicy by e.l.f. And new for me is this Ofra Rodeo Drive Highlighter that Lulu gave me. This should be what's new that Lulu gave me. That's what this video should be. I'm just going to take that. I'm just using the same brush. Probably should have used a highlighter brush, but I didn't pull it out. So we're just going to use what we got. All right, and so what I do with my blush, bronzer, and the like is I just take my beauty sponge and just kind of melt it all together so it's just not so dramatic. All right, and then last are these lips. We are going to use, not that because that needs to be sharpened, a recommendation from Lulu that's new for me is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Rouge, right? Yeah, this right here. And I'm just going to line my lips with a NYX Suede Brown Liner. All right, so I'm going to hop off and finish my lower lash line and then bid you adieu, and let's talk about all of my new. I'll be right back. All right, this is the final look. A full face of that new. We're just going to finish up the lips with the new Marc Jacobs Holiday Collection Gloss, and this is Shine a Light. Ooh. That is a really pretty. I am in the building and I'm feeling myself. Or you know what we say. We did that. So just to recap, since I lost my footage of my eye look, this is the Peachy Queen, Kush Queen eyeshadow palette. The only thing that I added differently was the I don't know where it's at. I lined the top of my eyes with the ColourPop Jelly Much in Short Circuit. That is like my favorite Jelly Much from ColourPop. And my foundation is the Lancome Teint Idole in 500 Suede Warm. And what else? What else was new was my highlighter, my bronzer, and what else did I use new? Oh, please check out Replenish Skincare. Their new Botanical Face Serum, Active Botanical Face Serum. And yeah, I just thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to look in my description box and check out all of my ladies from Aging Gorgeously and Beauty YouTuber Growth Group. Click on all of those links, subscribe to all of those channels, get their watch time up, get to know them in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I hope that you will stick with me and hang out with me every time I upload a video. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell, because that's how you'll know that I have a new video up. Let's get to know each other in the comment section. If you have any of these products, let's talk about it. And always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, gonna hurt our backs dragging all them bags like that. Go forth and slay. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.